You're looking at the latest in CT technology. Niagara Health announced this week that 4 state-of-the-art CT units are on the way to Niagara. Staff gave a briefing to the media on the capabilities of the new imaging equipment.
I am super excited that we're going to have the best technology right here in Niagara area in our region. So I'm super excited about that. The first in Canada to get the CT machine, so should be excited about that. And the benefits to patients, I'm a nurse, so the benefits to patients are the fact that quicker scan times, less radiation to patients, which is also sensational, and less repeating of scans. So this is a really exciting announcement today.
We are replacing end-of-life scanners with 4 amazing new state-of-the-art technology scanners, and that will happen at our 3 of our different sites, so 2 at the Murata Family Hospital, 1 at Welland, and 1 at Niagara Falls.
Now, this is advanced technology. What do patients need to know about that?
So there's some really great benefits of advanced technology. The first is that the radiologist who will be looking at the scan will actually have better images to make better and quicker diagnoses. So we are so excited for that amazing contribution of these new scanners. The second is the new scanners actually have this wonderful new technology that's new in Canada that actually lets us decrease the amount of radiation dose per CT scan. So we actually have safer and faster scanning. And we are really excited for that contribution. And this will also ensure that all of our Niagara Health sites actually have the exact same scanner. And so every patient that are accessing our different sites will have the same quality of care.
Bob Asham is a volunteer with the Niagara Health Engagement Network. In 2020, a CT scan helped his doctors develop a treatment plan after his cancer diagnosis. Bob, why would an announcement like this be important to you?
I think it's important to me is it's going to cut the wait times down. Hopefully I won't ever need to CAT scan again, but for the people that are waiting, I know when I was waiting back in 2019 during that whole Christmas time, you're on pins and needles because you don't know how bad it is or where it's at or if it's spread more than where they say it is. So having this new CAT scan available and cutting down the wait times and even getting a better imaging, it'll be fantastic for the patients that need it.
Work to replace the old scanners will begin later this month. Niagara Health will use a phased-in approach in the hopes of minimizing patient disruption.
So in the renovations, obviously there's 2 steps. It's the taking out of the old equipment, doing renovation into that space, making it better, upgrading the space, making it nicer. Then obviously bringing in the new equipment that we have that's coming in, having that put in, training our staff, having everything all work and come together, and then we'll be back online. So it takes about 60 days or so to get all that sort of happen.
As always, equipment purchases like this are made possible by the community's support of the Niagara Health Foundation.
This work is not possible at all without our community being so generous with us as an organization. And all these CT scanners are completely community funded. And we are just so thankful for the continued generosity of our community and the amazing work and leadership that the Niagara Health Foundation does on our behalf to be able to do the work we get to do every day.
In St. Catharines, reporting for The Source, I'm Brenda Schultz.